Okay, everyone, tampering with the fire alarm will get you arrested. So do not do it. Never ever tamper with the alarm. If you tamper with the alarm, you are going to go to jail because it is against the law to tamper with the fire alarms in any public building. You never ever tamper with the fire alarms in any public building for any reason. That is a big no-no. Now, if you have your own fire alarms at home, you can tamper with them. But in a public building, do not ever tamper with any of the fire alarms in any public building. Even in someone's house, you still don't tamper with their fire alarms because those alarms are not yours. So never ever tamper with fire alarms that are not yours, or else you will get arrested. Even in someone's house, it is illegal to do it, but especially in a public building. The only time you can tamper with fire alarms is if you have your own fire alarms at home, but not in someone's house, and especially not in a public building. Bye.